Whoa, wait a minute. That's crooked. You know, last week was crooked too. Sorry about that. Let me see if I can straighten this out. You know, it's kind of hard when you have all these angles behind you. Straighten that out. How's that? A little better? Hi everyone, I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining me. If you're coming back, thanks for that too. You know, this channel is growing pretty fast now. I'm over 800 subscribers, at least as of today I am. So I appreciate it if you do subscribe and, you know, ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Today is another pack and ship, but it's not an ordinary pack and ship. I still think that's a little crooked. How's that? Okay. Let's talk about today's video, number 26 of my pack and ship videos. So if you haven't seen all my pack and ship videos, I have a playlist for them. So I invite you to go check them out. I've packed and shipped plates and coffee cups and fragile items and odd shaped items and lots of items. Today, our pack and ship is about shipping a lamp. And I have this 12 by 12 by 8 regular priority box, which I love. I love this box. I use it all the time. I'm going to show you how you can reconfigure this box to ship a small lamp inside. It's pretty cool actually. I think you'll enjoy this video. I'm going to show you what's sold and then I'll show you how I use this altered regular priority mailbox to mail a lamp. Let's get started. I sold my first lamp. It's about 9 inches high. Sold it for $25 plus shipping. I need to go get it off the shelf and figure out how to pack it. I see it. I just have to move another lamp to get to it. There it is. I think I got this at the Goodwill. I probably paid about $3.99 for it. And it's ceramic and it's vintage. And yes, it's fragile and we need to get it packed to ship. The first thing I need to do is protect the neck of the lamp. So I'm going to put some extra bubble wrap here. Let's take a sheet of large 1/2-inch bubble wrap. Let's see if we can wrap this around here. Let's see if it's going to reach. I think it will with some tape. And I'm just using masking tape. Might take a few pieces. And I think I'll put a piece of tape across the top. There's nothing actually keeping this attached to the rest of the lamp. This would just slide off. But I have given this extra protection because it's not all one height. I like to add tissue paper to protect the finish. Doesn't do anything for breakage. I think you know that by now. It just helps protect the finish. Now let's add some bubble wrap. I have 2 pieces here. And you know there's always a seam in the center of bubble wrap and you have to be concerned about that flat area not having any cushion. So because of that, I'm going to add another piece on the diagonal in the center. And let's roll this up and tape it. And as I said, I'm using masking tape that I put in my heavy-duty dispenser. I still don't have this bottom covered very well. You can see this kind of slipped up actually. I need bubble wrap on the top and bubble wrap on the bottom. I have another sheet of large bubble wrap. I'm just going to put it on the diagonal. Get some tape. Tape it at the top. Move that a little bit. Turn it over. Again, it's on the diagonal. Tape this down really good, and then tape the corners down, which are on the sides of the lamp. And I don't mind leaving this extra hang out. It really adds protection as well. Another square. I do have this cord that likes to get in my way. I might tape this down once I get the bubble wrap finished. Again, this is on the diagonal. I'm going to tape it up, turn it over, tape this, tape the side, and tape the side. What are we going to do with this cord? It keeps following me around. How about if we wrap it in a little bit of bubble wrap? And I think I'll just use a 1/2 sheet of small bubble wrap. This has a turn switch on it too. Just going to wrap this around and tape it. And to keep it from going all over the place, I have to decide where do I want to tape it to. Do I want to tape it at the bottom? I could. I think I will. I'm going to tape it to the bottom. Start up here, get a hold of it, and tape it to the bottom, like so. Can you see that? I know it's a little bit washed out here. See if I can eliminate some of the light. Is that a little bit better? Seems like the bubble wrap is really glaring today, so I'm going to add a little bit here and on the other side, a bit down through the center. I don't want anything to come undone, and make sure you press down your tape. Let's take a measurement. I'm now at about 14 inches, 14 by 7 by 6, 14 by 7 by 6. I made this box the other day and I haven't had a chance to show it to you yet, so here's a perfect opportunity. This box, which gives me a little more length, a little more height, a little more width than the shoe box, I'll show you here. Here's the shoe box. You can see it's a little longer, a little higher. It's actually just a little bit wider, so it allows for more cushion. What's fun about this box is that it used to be, are you ready for this? It used to be this. It used to be a square box. And this square box I was able to make into this elongated box. Keep watching here, I'll show you how I did it. As said, this is a 12 by 12 by 8 inch regular priority mail box, and it is truly one of my favorites. To reconfigure this, we need to make a couple of new folds. We're going to find the center of one of the 12-inch sides and make a little mark at 6 inches. And we want to do that in several places. Once you have it marked, take the scoring tool of your choice, and I'm just using a staple puller, and I'm going to draw a line down through the center at the 6-inch mark. Roll the box over to the other side, and on the opposite side, yes, the opposite side, do the same thing again. You know it's 12 inches wide on the inside. Find the 6-inch center, make a few marks, one on the flap, one in the middle, one at the end, and draw your line and use your scoring tool and score that line down through the 6-inch center of the box. And then actually fold it on that line as shown. Once you have this done for both sides, again, very important, opposite sides, then you just want to fold on the new lines that you created. These boxes are pretty easy to fold and crease on the score line that you made. And then it's kind of like magic. You just kind of roll your box over to the side, whatever direction you want to roll it to, until you are on your new fold lines. Yes, you have some odd looking flaps here. In fact, we need to create a couple of new flaps on our fold lines. So using a utility knife, just cut a slit along that new fold line and do that wherever you've created the new fold. And remember, you have to do it on both ends of the flaps, both ends of the box. Now this is where it can get a little bit tricky. You have all these extra flaps to deal with, and I'm trying to do it one-handed while holding a camera. I have no idea why I decided to do it this way this day, but I did. You might have to have both hands free to fold these flaps up and put some temporary tape in place until you're ready to tape it off for shipping. So just take a look here as I'm trying to fold everything up and put it in place. Obviously I fold the end flaps in first, and then I don't care if you do bottom up or top down, doesn't really matter. Just fold all the flaps closed and add some tape. As I said, temporary tape until you're ready to finish it off. This is what it looks like when it's done. It's pretty exciting, I think, to see a square box go to a rectangular box. I'm sure I can find a lot of uses for this. How about you? But keep on watching. We need to finish packing the lamp. And in just a minute here, we'll talk about the new dimensions that we've created by reconfiguring this box. This box was originally 12 by 12 by 8. It's now 12 inches plus half of the 12-inch width, which is 6. So 12 plus 6 is 18 inches long. We didn't lose anything in our height. We still have our 8 inches, but what we also did, we went from 12 inches wide down to 6 inches wide, give or take a quarter of an inch. So we made a 12 by 12 by 8 box into an 18 by 6 by 8. What do you think? Yes, I have a couple of pieces of bubble wrap around here, but I need more protection if I don't double box it. Let's do a test fit, see what we've got. It's pretty good. I have some room at the top and the bottom, and just a little bit on the sides. I can actually put more bubble wrap around here. I can also add some reinforcement here, perhaps with some cardboard. Let's see what I've got. Of course, the more cardboard I add, the more I risk going over my 3 pounds. I'm going to weigh it. Right now it's at 2 pounds, 13.6 ounces. I cannot add more cardboard. I can only add bubble wrap or air pillows. And I just love these air pillows. Put some in the bottom. Oh, I could have used one more. Let's add some more large bubble wrap. I'm just going to add 2 there and 2 here. And snuggle this down inside. You see my box is wanting to expand out, but that's okay. It'll come back together here. I need my thank you label. Tuck this around. It's expanding out because of the original fold, but it'll all get taped together. I still need some bubble wrap on top. And I wouldn't even mind a little more down on each side. I don't think I can fit an air pocket. I'm going to try though. Okay, got one there and got one here. By golly, we might have it. Would you like to win a jumping jack? Along with your personal comment, add JJ Green if you'd like to try to win it. It's a little cattywampus because there's different flaps here, but we'll straighten those out. Pull this on top, straighten it out, and we are going to tape it like crazy. Everything taped before I add more, just a temporary tape, enough to hold it in place. Tape it some more. Just taping it across, taping the length. I'm going to add a piece of tape at the top of the flaps. Check it over here. Add some tape. And let's add some more to the bottom. And I'm going to add some on this fold line, the old fold. I think it's pretty good. Got tape just about everywhere. Oh, this kind of peeled on me. Let's add some more. The tape alone should hold this whole thing together. I think we've got it. Now, is it oversized? I don't think so, because originally it was a 12 by 12 plus 8, so that was 32 inches. I should write on here that this is the top, and I like to say sometimes top and open. I'm going to write the measurements on the bottom. 18 by 6 by, it's 8.5, I have to go to 9. So what you do is you add 18 plus 6 plus 9, comes in at 33 inches. If you're over 36, it's an oversized box, and the price will pretty much triple. I just thought I'd let you know it comes in at 2 pounds, 15.5 ounces, which is exactly 3 pounds. Yay! This lamp is going out to BZ and New York. Let's get it in the mail. If you like these kind of videos, I appreciate a thumbs up. I invite you to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to receive notifications for whenever I upload a video. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. I'll see you soon. Simple sales for good profit.